We got the crew in here getting some things done. Have to make a couple holes, but life is what it shoots at you. It is what it is. You gotta get it done. They want a ceiling fan in here. So we're gonna get that done. Got some more electrical that we're gonna have done. I just cut an access panel for upstairs. We got both of the vans at the house. We're gonna get some work done. Get this house taken care of for Maddie. You got that right. Had to cut an access panel up here. We got the electricians in the house. Right there. Gonna get 2 dedicated receptacles, one here and one there for the air conditioning. Then we're gonna put an outlet right here. We got the guys in the house working. Yeah, access panel. Beautiful little house. This is one of the bedrooms upstairs. You get this little office corridor walk through for little kids as they're growing up and learning with today's technology. We're gonna get them 2 dedicated receptacles in there. Heading back downstairs. Got the laundry chute. Very nice. Go check out this nice finished basement. Taking care of some electrical. We're gonna put in some new drops right here. Right there and there. We're gonna take care of this electrical over here. Right here, look at this old boy. Antique wire nuts. We're getting rid of all this non-grounded, dangerous stuff right there. Come out here, I'll show you some more stuff that I caught. I'm like the electrical inspector. Watch this. Take this panel and move it. Found an electric line that comes down here under the aluminum. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah. Comes under there. And then it follows. Look at this. Like 10 feet. And then here we go. Look. Yeah. It's not really the way to do it. At least they did put a ground with it. And it goes to there. I'm gonna pull that paneling out. We're gonna make that accessible so we can put it in there good and right. Also, look at this, dim. Look at this. That goes right there. Look at that. That's less than an extension cord wire. Look at that. See where that goes? Absolutely insane. Look at that. Oh, that's why it's dim. I'll be cat's ass. I'll be a cat's noodle. Now we're gonna have in-ground power put to the garage because there is no power in the garage. This is a little bit of a get her done electrical. Right here. We got the guys here. For professional service every time. Get a hold of me or get a hold of him, and he'll get a hold of me if he needs me, and I'll get a hold of him if I need him. Yeah. take this right here piece of paneling down the rest of the way. I'm gonna open this up. Let me get a pry bar real quick. Here we go. We got into her. That is horrible. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh man, I'm glad we got into this. Jeez. Like I said, I don't like that. Definitely look for stuff like this when you're purchasing your house. Don't accept it. Make sure somebody has to get on that. We're gonna run a gas line up here. Let me look downstairs to see where our gas line's gonna be coming from. Right here. This used to go to some dryer or something the way it was, so we're gonna take this off. We're gonna put a T here, come down, or an elbow, then a T, come over 12 inches, go up for the stove. Gonna come over 9 foot, 2 inches, and then we're gonna drop it down with a drip leg and a nipple, a T, and a shutoff valve. Same thing with upstairs. That's plan of attack. I'm gonna let these people do their thing. I'm not gonna try to do any of my trim work or anything, or paint, or do anything while they're here, as I don't wanna get in their way. Maybe I'll do my diffusers. I'll do that. Put in my 2 diffusers. Then I'll set myself up for the cold air return on that wall, for sure. As we try to continue this project for my customer's daughter. Till next time, thanks. Please like, share, subscribe. Please watch to get true, total satisfaction tutorial on how it's done, how we do these nice angles. You can see that all done, being built. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Pro, you need to know.